Hey guys, here to talk about the Bayco valve, also sometimes referred to as the Kunkle valve. Basically, it's a mechanical vacuum relief, and I want to show you why you would want to use it. It's kind of cool actually, like a toy. This actually Bayco valve, I found this to be the most heavy duty. This one releases at 15 inches of lift. It will make more sense once I start talking about this. So in a truck mount, usually a truck mount that has a blower, they have a vac relief, this thing right here. This spring-loaded valve, what happens is when you hook up the vacuum to the machine, this opens up, so it sucks air. The first 100, 150 feet, you attach the vacuum, you put the wand down, it's also sucking air, so you lose a little bit of vacuum. But the reason that that's there is to protect the machine, the motor, the blower, and the pressure pump. So this opens up to make sure that the belts don't shred, and it lets air out. So basically you're losing air, and it's made only for safety, and usually it releases about 14 inches of lift. So in order to still protect the machine but not lose that vacuum in the first 100, 150 feet that you're cleaning, where you don't want this to open up because it's wasting basically your vacuum, what you can actually do is just close this, tighten this up. So it's hard for it. It needs more vacuum to actuate. So just tighten this up, and then you can take this one and you install it here. You put a 2-inch hole, and this will go onto the waste tank. And what will happen is when you're cleaning and you want the vacuum to be good, the vacuum is going to stay strong. But if you suck in, let's say from your vacuum, you suck in a cat or something, hopefully not, but if you did, this opens up, and it doesn't start opening up, it opens up exactly at 15. So when you have 15 inches of lift to protect the machine, it'll open up. So during that time, you're not losing vacuum. Now, in a new machine like this, I probably would not want to do anything to it because, you know, it's under warranty and everything. It's been engineered to work correctly. But if your machine is a little older, you want a little bit more oomph out of it, maybe it doesn't have that much vacuum. As long as your engine is powerful enough and in good quality condition, you should be able to just substitute that with this and get better vacuum. So that's it. Thank you.